Sa mga decision ba natin sa ating buhay, mas nangingibabaw ang gigil o pagpipigil? Ang Diyos o ang horoscope? Ang feelings o ang Holy Spirit? You can have a fantastic life. You can have that. You don't have to live a foolish life if you're going to make a decision right now na sundin ang ating Panginoon. Doon tayo nahihirapan minsan. Kasi ang sabi ng Lord, go muna and I will show. Tayo gusto natin, show mo muna and I will go. That even in your darkest moment, He will be with you. He will guide you. At kung saan ka mandali ng Panginoon, kung saan ka mandali ng Diyos, huwag kang matakot, may budget ba kami? Where God guides, He will provide. Saan ka mandali ng Diyos, ang Diyos magpo-provide. Because when you follow Jesus, He will open doors of opportunity that you've never expected na bubuksan ng Diyos. You will go to places that you've never expected na mararating mo. He will open opportunities na hindi mo ina-expect na madadala ka ng edukasyon mo. Magtiwala sa Panginoon na wala man ako nakikitang visible representation of His presence, nararamdaman ko ang Diyos, kasama ko siya.